Before I show you how to create 3D models in AutoCAD, I need to explain the three types of modeling available in this program. I have selected the hotel model drawing from AutoCAD's directory because it provides the necessary examples. I have gone ahead and saved this as Hotel Model 2 because I have made changes to Layout 1. And I'm now going to switch to Layout 1. And this shows the three types of models you can create in AutoCAD. There is wireframe, there is surface, and solid. This tutorial will focus primarily on solid modeling. But I will still review wireframe, and I will show an example of surface later on in this tutorial. Beginning with wireframe, I'm going to make this viewport current. I'm going to select from the View pull-down menu, Shade, and select Flat Shaded. Nothing happens to this model, simply because it consists of lines that are connected at the endpoints, and they are using different X, Y, and Z coordinates. This is very similar to creating a model by hand that is made out of toothpicks. I will always be able to see through it no matter what. Switching over to the next viewport. This is also called meshes. If I change the shade mode to flat shaded, you can see that it is made up of a surface, or you can also call it a skin. This is very similar to creating a wireframe model and then wrapping a skin around it. It is a surface and it is not transparent. It will hide objects that are behind it. Going over to solid, switching that shade mode to flat shaded. And this is the solid model. This consists of 3D solid objects. They contain a volume, they can be manipulated, they can be sliced, and as you can see, they can be put together to create a building. I'm going to change that view one more time, selecting shade and selecting hidden. And as you can see, I cannot see through the solid objects, and that is the difference between a solid and a wireframe model. Not to be confused with changing the view, the shade mode, to 2D wireframe. When I view it in 2D wireframe, I can see through all of my 3D objects. But when I eventually print this out as a hidden line drawing, I will not see through the solid objects. And again, this tutorial will focus primarily on this type of modeling.